Hello students. Now in this video we'll learn how to find the mode for group frequency distribution. Now in yesterday's video we have studied how to find the median for group frequency distribution. Okay. Now the formula to find mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is L? L is nothing but the lower boundary of the model class. F0 the frequency of the class preceding the model class. F1 the frequency of the model class and F2 the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. अब preceding and succeeding बोले तो जो पहले आएगी मॉडल क्लास की, जो पहले की क्लास होगी उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी, और सक्सीडिंग बोले तो बाद में आने वाली नेक्स्ट. Okay, and now h is nothing but the class width. Now here first example from practice set 6.3 I took here. The example is like this. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा नहीं हूँ, क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को लिखना है. क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट. Okay, this is only I took this table. Content of fat is given 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 in percentage, and milk collected in liters as 30, 70, 80, 60 and 20. That is the frequency. Okay, 30, 70, 80. First we have to find the model class. Model class, how we find model class? Okay, now the class whose frequency is maximum, the class whose frequency is maximum, that class is called the model class. Now in second column is the class column for frequency, and the highest frequency is 80, and the class associate with this 80 is 4 to 5, right? So this 4 to 5 is the model class. ठीक है. Now after that F1 frequency of the class preceding the model class. So this is our F0, this is our F1 and this is our F2. This is preceding class, this is succeeding class. Okay, so we start solution like this. Here 80 is the maximum frequency. 80 is the maximum frequency. 80 is the maximum frequency. Therefore 4 to 5 is the model class. 4 to 5 is the model class. Okay, therefore L is equal to, that is lower boundary of the model class, that is 5. Then we took F0 as a 70, F1 as a 80, F2 as a 60, and H, that is the class width, is nothing but 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we write formula. Mode is equal to L plus again F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, okay, into H, that is equal to value for L is nothing but 5 plus F1 is 80 है ना, minus F0 70 divided by 2 into 80 minus 70 minus 60 into H. Value for H is 1. Okay, no need to write this one in next step. So this 5 plus 80 minus 70. So 80 minus 70, it is 10 upon 2 into 80, that is 160, minus 70 minus 60, minus 70 minus 60, it is minus 130. Same sign is there, so we have to take addition, and since both number has minus sign, so answer is minus 130. So you will get 5 plus this 10 upon 160 minus 130, that is 30. So this 0 get cancelled, and 5 plus, just divide 1 by 3. It is not possible. Take 0.0 and add 1 0 here. Then 3 3s are 9. Okay, again 1 is left, add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is left, add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Okay, recurring is there, so you'll get 0.33 up to 2 decimal place only. You will get answer as 5.33. Oh, sorry, the lower limit, sorry, there is one mistake. Lower boundary is 4 here. Lower boundary is 4. Sorry, my mistake. lower boundary is 4 here. So here 4 we have to take, 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 and here 4 we have to take. Okay, so remember this, there is one mistake, 4 is there. Okay, so we write at last, therefore the mode of fat content, therefore the mode of fat content is 4.33%. Okay, so in this way we have to find the mode of group frequency distribution. Okay, we'll see next example. Now the second example from practice set 6.3 is like this. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. Okay, so here age is given less than 5, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and 25 to 29, and number of patients are given. This example is different from the first one. Number of patients 38, 32, 50, 36, 24, and 20. Okay, so these are the number of patients. So here less than 5, first class is given as less than 5. This is not a class, less than 5 is given. And if you observe the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth class, then the class width for each class is 4. Just see, 9 minus 5, it is 4. 14 minus 10, it is 4. 19 minus 15, it is 4. 24 minus 20, it is 4. 29 minus 25, it is 4. So here we have to make first class as whose class width is 4. So we make that first class as 0 to 4, because the column is for age, under age. Okay, and age is never negative. 0 to 4 we can take. Okay, then so if you observe the class width, if you find the class width for this first class, then it is 4. So this is the first class. Then this second class is 5 to 9 as it is, 10 to 14 as it is, 15 to 19 as it is, 20 to 24 as it is, and 25 to 29 as it is. Okay, so these are the classes. Okay, now these classes are not continuous classes. These classes are not continuous classes. For finding median or mode, we need continuous classes. Always remember this. मीडियन और मोड अगर फाइंड करने का रहेगा तो हमको कैसे क्लासेस रहना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूस क्लासेस रहना चाहिए. एंड इन प्रीवियस वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू मेक continuous classes. Okay, same procedure we have to follow here. Here the difference between the upper limit of first class and the lower limit of the second class, that difference is 1. Just divide this 1 by 2, you will get 0.5, that is half, 0.5. So from the lower limit of the class, just subtract 0.5, and in upper limit just add 0.5. कुछ याद आ रहा है? ऐसा ही बताया था मैंने आप लोगों को. ठीक है, सेम प्रोसीजर यू हैव टू फॉलो हियर. सो 0 minus 0.5, you will get minus 0.5 to 4.5. Here 5 minus 0.5, it is 4.5 to 9.5. Here 9.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 24.5, and 24.5 to 29.5, like this. Okay, so these are the continuous classes. Okay, now we have to fix the model class. We have to find the model class for this example. So highest frequency in this number of patients, the second column. Okay, the highest frequency is 50. Highest frequency is 50, and the associate class for this 50 is 9.5 to 14.5. Always we consider the continuous class. 9.5 to 14.5, that will be the model class. So here we write solution like this. Here the maximum frequency is 50. Therefore 9.5 to 14.5 is the model class. modal class. Okay, now find L. L is nothing but 9.5, lower boundary of the class, that is 9.5. Then F0. Okay, F0, here this is our F0, this is F1, and this is F2. Okay, so F0 is 32, F1 is 50, F2 is 36, and H, that is the class width, you'll get as 14.5 minus 9.5, you will get as a 5. Okay, so for your formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, that is equal to L, that is 9.5, plus F1, it is 50, minus F2, that is 32, divided by 2 times F1, 2 times F1, that is 50, minus 32 minus 36 into H, that is 5, is equal to, it is 9.5 plus 50 minus 32. So 50 minus 32, you will get as 18 divided by 2 into 50, that is 100, minus 32 minus 36, minus 32 minus 36, same sign is there, so always do addition. What we have to do? Addition. So minus 32 minus 36, you will get as minus 68, minus 68 into H, that is 5, is equal to, it is 9.5 plus 18 upon 100 minus 68. So 100 minus 68 is, it is 32 into 5, that is equal to 9.5 plus 18 into 5. 18 5s are 18 5s are 5 8s are 40, 18 5s are 90 divided by 32. Okay, just simplify this. So you'll get 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 6s are 2 6s are 12. Here 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So you'll get as 9.5 plus 45 divided by 16, that is equal to 9.5 plus 45 upon 16. If you simplify this, then you will get value as up to 2 decimal place, it will be 2.81, and by adding these two numbers you will get 12.31, 12.31, and therefore the mode of, we write the answer like this, therefore the mode of ages of the patients, the mode of ages of the patients is 12.31. So in this way we have to find the mode of group frequency distribution. बोलो क्या डाउट है इसके अंदर? कर सकते हैं आप लोग इस तरह के एग्जांपल्स, बहुत इजी एग्जांपल्स है, ठीक है, एग्जाम में आते रहते हैं। ये मीडियन का है, मोड का है, मीन का है ना, इसके कम से कम 2 एग्जांपल जो है कंपल्सरी एग्जाम में रहते हैं, ठीक है। सो इसकी प्रैक्टिस करो और रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल जो है प्रैक्टिस सेट से वो क्या करेंगे आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। थैंक यू।